of market we've ever seen. So this blueprint of creating fear in order to get cheap prices is nothing new. So
hang on just a second.
Yeah.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. We're going to talk about a little video here, and if you like making sick dough in crypto, then hit that like and subscribe, please. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we give the best news. We give the best TA. We give the best life experience, real person, real crypto talk every day. So if you like this kind of stuff and you're interested in the gentleman that worked on Wall Street and busted his ass as a young tyke when he came through, here he was. And we have to remind some of the people that I came through hell, and that's where I came from. The NYMEX, it's now the Van Gogh. If you go check, it's the Van Gogh place in New York. Good morning. Hit that like and subscribe because why? It's Friday. Woo! It's Friday. We're going to talk a little bit about this, on why this is really important. And there was some times in the 1995, 1994, a lot of people were making big money. 1995, 1994, a lot of people were making big money. I hope you understand this. This was a big deal.
Where are you going?
Yeah.
This one is really important to me because the housing crisis, those banks, they bought up all of those houses. They were the ones who caused the problem.
Right.
Then they were talking everything down and saying, "I'm just taking the junk off the table."
Yeah.
That's not junk now.
It's not junk. But not when it's dropped 40 to 60%. It's not.
So what they're saying, and this just is a really quick video, but the manipulation is real. It's real as steel. This is the great conspiracy, crypto conspiracy. You can check it out. We're not going to go through it no more, but it's what happened is they started telling people to stop buying. And if you see, it's right here, the great crypto. We'll go on it quickly. The great crypto conspiracy. I'm going to like it. Why not, right? Hit the like button. Let's not be a hater. Educate yourself. So big guys don't play with you. Don't let the big guys. So he's talking about the whales. And what happens is they were talking about it, how they were just basically manipulating the market. They were telling them stop, sell, sell, sell. They listened like idiots. They did what they told them to do. And now we're in this moment where we're saying, damn, right? We're looking at our portfolios is getting killed. Bitcoin is being manipulated. If you look at my weekly now, look at the weekly EMA. Well, we're just hanging on to a thread on trying to get through to this bearish trend here. We're really trying to dip back down again. We're really trying to test and say, hey, goodbye. That's why tonight, I'm sorry, tonight. The next 2 days is going to be crucial. This next weekend is going to be wild. I don't know what's going to happen here now because this could show me we're going to fall. This is probably one of my biggest videos as well, as saying with the conspiracy. I mean, look at it. This is one of my biggest videos. This is one of the biggest times of cryptocurrency, okay? This flip here now on this band is huge. This is back to the four-weekly. We know I love the four-weekly. We talk about the weekly because the closing candle's on Sunday at 8 p.m. We're going to have to pay attention to this Sunday at 8 p.m. More hardcore than we've ever done in our entire lives. So I figured this is going to be a morning video. No one's really going to be able to watch this until it's a recording. So we're not going to go live and take any TA live for anyone. But stay tuned tonight. After this video, tonight we're going to talk about the top 5 coins to probably get the max, what do you want to say, max percentage, to gain the max percentage in July. That's pretty much what it's going to be, July 2021. I just wanted to make it very clear. The top 5 coins to make the highest percentage that you would most likely receive in. And let's talk about quality as well. Quality has to be there. We have some quality coins. We pay attention to ones because some real shit coins, excuse my French, could really hurt you, could really take you down. It would be a devastation. But the whale manipulation right now currently seems to be a big problem. It hasn't stopped since back then, and you can watch that little conspiracy video that I showed you in the beginning. It was a pretty big deal. So getting back to the forward now, I'm going to go do what I do. Remove the drawings, remove the indicator. As you see, we're way below down here on the forward. Every time we've gotten down below on the forward, ladies and gentlemen, what have we done? Let's just be real as steel. Every time on this little run, right, since July 22nd, okay, we've only been going for 10 days now. We can agree with that ever since we've done this, pay attention definitely to mention as it's 7 in the morning finally, so we got a new hourly candle. That's about it. If you pay attention here, down, but look, pay attention up here, right? Up or above, up at or above on the forward of the EMA, exponential moving average. So that was something to pay attention to. It's the 4 hourly every time. Good morning, Alex. What's up? I forgot that you're an early bird like I am. That's one of those. What's up, Alex? As you are awesome. Yes, this guy is awesome. That's what we do. We don't need things like this to remind ourselves. But, excuse me, this is the TA. This is the boring side of me. A little boring, but it's Friday, right? Maybe we'll throw the Freestyle Friday in later tonight. I'm not doing no crazy freestyle at 7 o'clock in the morning. You guys are out of your mind. Here we are. Looking at the red ribbon on the outside here, that's where it's bullish, but then it lied and went down yellow. Once again, we are here. This is the time that I'm very, very confident that we're going to get that red pull up instead. Another yellow downward fake out would be devastating, but pay attention to the upwards that we've been doing. So what I wanted to do after I showed you the EMA and all the garbage that I just drew, there's some things here I was trying to explain to you earlier in some of my videos, and we're going to do it again really quick. If you look here just quickly, you could definitely see that there is some type of new higher prices, right? We're creating new higher lows, and that's not really impressive right now because we came down a little more than I wanted to. So I'm going to do the Fibonacci sequence to see if we survive this. It looks like we have survived the 0.50 retracement on the Fibonacci. It does look like we may have just pretty nicely, actually. We're going to definitely get that right here confirmed. You know I love to do this. You know this is one of my favorites. This right here is a very, very close one. I got to get a little more accurate, excuse me. That's as accurate as it gets right there, ladies and gentlemen. So definitely pay attention real quick. This is going to be like a 15-minute video. I'm not even kidding. I wanted to do a short one this morning. I didn't want to do one this morning because you know why? There's nothing going on here. There's nothing to see. This is very boring, right? What's going to happen is we're going to get what we've been getting. I don't think anybody understands. You see this action right here? Before we got that action back up here, right? You see that, right? I know you see that. You're not blind. Okay. So in order to receive the nice blow up that we received, right? The nice blow up that we received, we have to get that again. Oh, shit. We did. So that's what I'm trying to show you. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. Then when you go look at the Fibonacci sequence, Mr. Uncle Fib, 33,568. I think we went over this already. I'm confident we went over this price, these areas. 32,895 seems to be the bottom pit here. This isn't a fun place to be. We're not really supposed to be here. Let me double check it. There we go. Red Boy, what's up? Good morning. I had a feeling we're going much lower. Well, I'm not sure yet. I'm going to go to the relative strength index chart and pay attention to that as well. But if you've noticed here, we've calmed down. We've calmed down. If you've noticed here, we've calmed down, which was earlier here. So calm your tits, calm your horses. It's Friday. I know everyone's excited, but pay attention to this. If you pay attention to this right here, you'll see 32,942. Well, that's the Fibonacci. So I'm not doing this. We were looking at the 32,895. 32,895 it was saying, so 32,887. I mean, it really isn't a big deal. But if you look right in here, and I'm going to zoom in here for you, it's the 50% pullback was 33, right? So the 50% pullback was going to give us a 33. It lied. The whale manipulation is strong. That's what this video is about. Okay? So if you have not hit the like button yet, please hit the like. We need to get the algorithm going through. And as you already know, this guy is awesome. You're awesome. Good morning, Dr. Rainey. I may start doing this more often. We're going to see what happens. I'm going to start my workout after this video every time. So the earlier I get my workout done, the more shit I get done through the day. So I'm actually going to start doing this. I never believed I could work out early in the morning. But the earlier you wake up, the more ready and prepped you are for the day. So I always woke up early. I just never did TA this early. So yes, we're doing it. So what's my marker here? Wall Street Pete's Sicto Crypto TA is real as mother effing steel. I mean, I'm still offering that to happen. Now, we have to play this bearish downtrend. We cannot pretend that we don't see it. We all know it's here. We all see it's here. I mean, it's not a joke. I mean, I'm laughing because it's funny, because it's like, this is real, and it's not going away anytime soon. But it may. Why? Well, there's too much, one, manipulation going on. I see that. So that's going to make it difficult to go away. But two, the real problem that we're having is, it's the whale manipulation. But what's going on is there seems to be a pattern. I do want to see the volume. Let me be real as steel with the volume, right? Let me go over here. Let's check it out really, really quick. I'm just doing it for you so we can do this a quick way. So the volume on Bitcoin, really quick, because we're at 33.1, it says, and we are, okay. See, we've came down 5 billion on volume. So we lost 5 billion on volumes. You understand that's what this is. Now, if you pay attention to the we've came down to a landing gear. I've said it many times. It's like an airplane coming down to land on. Your pilot is speaking. We have now landed safely in New York. Yes, after New York, we're going to go straight to the Cayman Islands or to the mother effing moon. Get on, because we're going soon. There's something happening here. I don't expect us to go much further. Now, let me explain one last thing before we go. And don't miss tonight. Do not miss tonight. Because tonight, you're going to be wishing you didn't miss the video, because you're going to be saying, it's Friday, damn. Because what we're going to do tonight, I'm going to give you the top 5 coins on how to make your biggest growth in portfolio in July 2021. So do not miss that. You do not want to miss tonight's video at 8 p.m. That's going to be something, I'm telling you right now, we're doing the weekly candle, right? Weekly close candle. Oh my gosh, it's ugly. Weekly close candle. And that's at 8 p.m. So 8 p.m. Eastern time. Don't miss it. It's going to be a big deal. I will not miss tonight's. It's just a big deal. So we need to hold this weekly ribbon. If you're paying attention and you understand what's going on right now, this weekly ribbon, and if you pay attention over here, holy shit, January 4th. January 4th, we were holding this as support like a maniac. I did not notice that. I noticed it now. This is the weekly chart, and if you pay attention to the weekly, there's something going on here, because this was support at one point in time, and if you don't know, history repeats itself. Well, shit. Ladies and gentlemen, my heart is pounding, because we have found history of the new year. Remember when I talked to you about Happy New Year, 1.5 Tesla? 1.5 Tesla announced 1.5 billion. That's when Bitcoin was first, had a really big week. Big weak market cap compared to, and now it's there again. So I wonder. So I hope you watched the video this morning. In the beginning, we have the conspiracy. You may want to watch that. It's a big deal. We're coming back. We're definitely coming back. I don't see why we may not fool around and then come through. I don't see why we can't. Any lower, I was going to do this. I was going to do the Fibonacci sequence, and it's what I was going to do on the 4-weekly, because that's the weekly. Boom, shakalaka, what's up? Definitely hit the like and subscribe. Definitely to mention, you see what's going on here. We're going to go to the relative strength index really fast, because we have to see what's going on. And if you notice, oh, it sounds like the Green Giant. Green Giant. Oh. Look at this. We're getting that boring sideways action. and we're going to get some satisfaction. Well, look at the last time, boring sideways, down, big pop, right? Ticker bounce. So don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if you do what I just said. I just said it. Look at go under. So we'll go a little under more here. Right there. Don't be surprised if we see some under the 30 or at the 30. It may happen now. This sucks. I didn't expect it, but listen, it's part of Sicto Crypto. It's part of the crypto whale manipulation. What's going on, Greg Ramos? That's my guess. G. Ramos, what's up? So this is what I'm talking about. This fall here, maybe through the support, and it's going to make us look silly. But remember, Tesla bought 1.5 at this point in time in January, and now you see it's a little coincidental that all of this time that we were above the EMA, that we enjoyed on the weekly, we're now in the middle, coming through the bottom, and I do believe on the weekly to stay bullish, we have to come up through here like this. And if you see it, I really see it happening. The next 3 days, all the way into Sunday and next Monday, is going to be the most crucial time of your life. What do you think of Cortese? Well, we weren't going to have many people live. This was going to be a recorded video. It wasn't going to be one of those TAs on Cortese. It wasn't going to be Bond. I know that Bond doesn't say 110. I know that's not the right one. There it is, 32. I was going to say, I know it ain't 110. But this is what I'm talking about here. We're gonna do tonight. So listen to me. If you love this show, if you love Sicto and crypto, do me a solid. We're going to talk about all these places. I'm telling you right now, as I'm coming down into the Fibonacci sequence, Cortese is going to be something we're going to maybe talk about tonight if you want. We're going to have a lot of options and things, but you have to remember, I'm going over the top 5 coins tonight. It's going to be a big deal. Right here, if we do not ever come back, and I'm hoping it's 30,000. Okay, it is. It's in the 30, because it's the only way it's going to sound correct. I don't expect this. But as I showed you, we were coming down lower. We have to come and bounce through. If God forbid, we do come through here at this price, we have to immediately bounce. I don't see it coming. I just see a little less, maybe here. So what's here? This price is 32,000. So I see 32,000. So we're going to move this 31. I see a possible 32,000. It's going to scare some of us. It's going to go back lower to there. And then that check mark is going to take us to where we want to be. What we've been talking, we're going to retest for another moment. If you see, we've been doing nothing but the 1 and the 2 and the what you gonna do. When we get to the third time, it's going to be a kiss my behind, and we're going to be going crazy. So Sicto Crypto, this is what I think is going to happen. I think the whale manipulation is almost impossible to stop in July. It's going to be almost impossible to stop. I know that the shorting game is real. They're having a hard time. I'm telling you right now, everyone shorting Bitcoin is starting to have a harder time. Right now, they enjoyed the hell out of this. Nope, let's be real. Everybody who shorted Bitcoin out of this little last drop that I said would happen really enjoyed it. I'm going to tell you right now, in the Fibonacci sequence, there is no way in hell that we're coming and breaking through here. We'd be so bearish, it would be over. So July, August is going to be great. I do agree with that. Excuse me, Michael. I do agree with that. So I also agree with that it's going to be a good day. So if you're not having a good day, you need to change your attitude, because first off, it's Friday, right? That's your first problem. Your first problem is it's Friday. So Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. I thought you would know. We're getting into the flow. It's Freestyle Friday. I don't think we're going to do it today, but there it is. Right? We love this song. It's Friday. Woo! Gonna be a good day. La, da, da, da. Woo! Yeah, hit the like, subscribe. We're gonna go on a ride. I'm feeling alright. I'm feeling on the tide. You know we're going to the moon and we're going soon. Yeah, get on that wave. Don't be like Dave, and don't be the hater, and don't be the one that be the slater. I don't talk about Slater's where you eat the pork roll. It's thick as hell, you know what I mean. It's the place where I used to grow up on the scene. And now we're listening to Greg Street's Nappy Roots. What you gonna do where I go? Put on my boots, ready to fight, ready to score, ready to get some more. Don't be a whore, don't be like the $2 bill. Make it something real. And this guy's awesome. He's awesome as hell. You might as well buy the Bitcoin too. And don't be a, oh, nope, I can't say that because it's not really nice. We're gonna bust a freestyle, but not today. I'm really not feeling the beat. But my name is Wall Street Pete, so have a seat. Staying long enough to get a treat. I'm from the 9Mex. I know I feel like the Hex, but it's not true. We do the TA too. We got bills to pay, and all y'all know it's July and August. I'm feeling good, so if you would, like I said back before, a woodchuck would if a wood could, would a chuck would if it could. I don't really know, and I don't act like this, yo, but it's the Morning Friday radio show. Wall Street Pete, sick dough, crypto. I no longer walk around the world like the tiptoe. I like to run and go to the bank, and then don't pull my groin because we know we're gonna buy the Bitcoin. Ha ha ha. Wall Street Pete, la la la. We're gonna have it like Looking back, I got Cardano on the back of my shoulder, feeling bolder. We're working out, and then we scream and shout, and now you know what this channel is all about. We do TA. I swear I pray every night I go to bed. I hope it goes up like a chuckity chuck. I'm making that money like chicken boom boom. What? You don't know what I'm gonna say next. Then you might have a text. It's saying it, it's going up. I gotta flex, but it's okay because I'm Wall Street Pete today. I tell you the truth. You sit in your booth, you watch this TA, you have a seat. It's kind of really neat, and then I know it's Pete. Listen up. Stop cursing, stop making all these bad excuses. They're nothing but for neck looses. And I don't really want to know it's talking about nooses. Because you're crazy, I'm not that lazy. After we get off, I'm gonna scream and shout. I'm gonna do this workout, I'm gonna feel good. I wish you would, yeah. Sit-do, crypto, flip-do, hit-do. The haters, the gators, I snap you like an alligator. See you later. I know you didn't have to pay her, but she's okay because she likes it that way. It's Wall Street Pete, sick-do, crypto. Quick Cardano, shit, you the man-o. Boom, shakalaka, make my coffee just like that. I know this is getting a little too long and whacked, but we gotta go. Flip-do, crypto. I thought you'd know, yo. We'll be right back, Jack. And I don't know, but about to have a heart attack. We don't want that, so don't call me Jack. The stream is ending, and don't get sad. Just get glad, because at 8 p.m. we're gonna be around. It's just not the end. See you later, alligator. Don't be a hater. Hit the like, subscribe.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Ooh, the last hard lemonade seltzer.
Ooh, we got the lemonade. Have a good one, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, stay cool. Let's get it, and don't forget it. Wall Street Pete, on the scene. We're making green, and it's not a jelly bean.